Now look, y'all, check this out. Now I just went to court earlier today. I had some charges and shit that was pending, and I told the judge my side, and I had an explanation for virtually everything that they were asking me about. The state of Ohio was asking me about this. And I told them. And I guess the judge kind of got pissed off with my answers in response to some of the shit that was going on in the scenario that took place in order for me to have been sitting in front of this motherfucking judge, which happened to be a fucking woman. And I guess whatever I told her enabled her to believe in her mind that I got an answer and know every motherfucking thing. And that's pretty much what she asked me. Mr. Black, you think you got an answer for everything? You think you know everything, Mr. Black? And I asked her, ma'am, are you talking to me? Yes, I'm talking to you, Mr. Intelligent. Oh shit, right then and there that this motherfucker was going to be one of those belligerent, disrespectful, don't understand motherfucker situations such as myself. And she just already got it in her mind what type of motherfucker that I'm going to be and that I am, which is an ignorant ass nigga. So I answered her and said, yeah, I do have an answer for every motherfucking thing. And I do know every motherfucking thing, which in a way, to me, makes me feel that I'm smarter the fuck than you, period, bottom line. And I said it in those words because I really didn't give a fucking. Plus, I got a little bit of money, too. I can get my shit out of certain jams. And plus, I know people that know people bigger than the judge. So that makes me the shit in a sense. And I gave her an example on why I know every motherfucking thing between me and her. That doesn't mean I know everything between me and you, but to this motherfucker, yeah, I got the answer to everything, and I know every motherfucking thing. And I told her straight the fuck up. Let me ask you a question, Your Honor. I pulled out 5 pennies in the courtroom. The bailiff and them, they got to reaching for their pistols and shit, and thought I was pulling a weapon out or something like that. That's how fucked up our system is. And in a way, they do have a reason to be like that because some of the shit that has happened in our country and in the courtrooms in the past. Mainly because judges like this motherfucker here say dumb shit to motherfuckers like me. But in this case, I wasn't pulling out a weapon or anything. I just was pulling out 5 motherfucking pennies. So when I pulled these pennies out, I said, Your Honor, how many units do I have in UC? And she said, 5 pennies, Mr. Black. Why are you patiently pushing buttons on my motherfucking attitude for the day? Because I got a lot of things I got to do. I got a murder case I got to deal with, and I don't have time to be answering a simple question like that. You have 5 cents, 5 pennies, and that's probably what you want to have in your pocket when I had them take you down to the county jail. I said, really? I says, well, you know what, ma'am, I guess I am right, because every dumbass nigga where I come from that like to do shit that you think that I've done, which I haven't done, and you can't find nowhere in your law books to understand that I didn't do it because there's no law that supports that bullshit. I asked you simply, how many fucking units do I have? I showed you 5 fucking pennies. Every dumb motherfucker knows that 1 motherfucking penny consists of 9 fucking units, and you add the penny on it, which makes 10, which is a whole, which is 1 fucking cent. So in actuality, I think I do know every motherfucking thing when it comes to me and you at this particular time and moment. So they try to grab me and shit, and and lock me up. And when they got me back in that little interrogating room or whatever the fuck it is that they take you to, for basically contempt of court, because that's all the fuck it was. The bitch thought she was going to find me guilty on this other bullshit, which she didn't. They had to dismiss that shit, and basically she had me detained for contempt of court. And the contempt that I had got was basically profanity and just being a motherfucker smarter than her. So I ended up getting out of there in like 7 hours later, which was cool. But my point is, ladies and gentlemen, if you do know every motherfucking thing and got an answer to every motherfucking thing to the particular person that you're talking to, that makes you king ding-a-ling or it makes you queen with the biggest titty. That's just how that shit works. So don't let no motherfucker convince you that you don't know everything, because you got some dumb motherfuckers around you that get mad at you every time you tell them something that is right. First thing come out their mouth, you think you know everything. Well, motherfucker, between me and you, I do. Because if you don't know how to get up and down a street to keep from getting ran the fuck over, and I do, that means I know every motherfucking thing. So that's my motto, y'all, that you should go by. I don't know, it might be fucked up and it might not be fucked up, but that's just how I see life. So y'all can take that and be careful now. You can't be telling people about that penny joke. A motherfucker will fuck you up about that shit too, for real. Serious. I got into it with my boy Bill about that shit. Y'all know I got a stay away order on that motherfucker. I don't know if y'all seen that scene yet, but yeah, it's fucked up. Y'all be good and take care, and I appreciate y'all listening to this crazy ass shit again. Me thinking with a complex mind. That's why they call me Maxine Alexander. Peace.